Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to learn how to make eye-catching animated backgrounds in Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create and select Video. For this tutorial, choose Landscape Video. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. Search for a suitable background to use in your video project before moving on to the next steps. Duplicate the object by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Then drag and attach this image to the desired location on the canvas. Add 2 blank pages to this section. This will allow us to insert transition effects, match the overall flow, and create smooth movement between scenes for a more polished and engaging video presentation. Increase the duration for this element by dragging its edge to the maximum length. This ensures the element stays visible for as long as possible during your video presentation. The transition will move slowly, creating a smooth change between scenes. Go to the Elements tab and type black circle in the search bar. In the Frames section, click See All to view all available black circle frames. Find the circular donut shape in the toolbar and click it. This will add the donut to your image. Use this element as the background for your design or project as needed. Position the object in the center of the canvas. Once it is centered, select the background layer and duplicate it to create an identical copy directly above the original background. Drag the item onto your canvas until it appears in your design. Alternatively, you can double-click the item, and it will automatically be added to your image. Both methods let you insert elements quickly. Our blending is not currently applied to this image, meaning any adjustments you make won't affect the image until blending is enabled. After duplicating the first slide, move to the second slide in your presentation. Select the duplicated object on the second slide. Now we'll apply a rotation effect. Click to select the object, then look for the rotation handle or rotation option in your toolbar. Click to begin rotating the object to your desired angle. Rotate the map upward by clicking and dragging. As you do, notice how this image appears in a new position, revealing additional details related to your selected area. Click the play button to preview your animation. Watch as the scene plays out so you can review timing and overall motion before making adjustments. Click the preview button to see how your changes will look before saving. This helps you ensure everything appears correctly and allows you to make adjustments if necessary before finalizing your work. Now that you've finished, click the Share button to access sharing options. Choose Download to save the file directly to your device, or share it with others as needed. Download the file as you did previously, and remember to increase the quantity setting to ensure you get a higher quality video output for best results. Try out your own animated rotating backgrounds in Canva, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.